I'm throwing a big Greek dinner party and I want my table to look as delicious as my food. So today I'm going to show you how to make themed napkins. Let's get started. You'll need a sewing and embroidery machine and coordinating cotton fabric. To start, prep the fabric by washing, drying, and ironing it. Next, I want each napkin to be a 20-inch by 20-inch square, so I'll cut out 2 squares for each napkin. For my party, I'm going to embroider the names of my guests and a Greek key image on every napkin. Now, what's so special about these is they'll not only serve as napkins, but they'll also be nameplate settings and personalized take-home favors. All right, now after all the names are embroidered, now we got to sew the 2 pieces together. Lay right sides together, sewing 3 sides. Next, turn the material inside out and turn the open edges in and press. Then give it a narrow edge top stitch all the way around to finish your napkins. And there you have it, personalized napkins for every guest at your party. What a great way to make your table extra special. And since they're taking them home as a keepsake, you don't even have to do laundry.